This is the final video to fix the challenge phrase prompt blocking your Windows 11 login. Are you stuck seeing that annoying message every time you try to sign in? This usually happens because Windows detects a security setting or account mismatch and forces a challenge phrase for extra verification. Most guides on YouTube or social media make it look super complicated with long steps and confusing menus. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that can remove this block in just a few clicks. All you need is a quick tweak in your account settings, and you'll be back to logging in normally without the prompt popping up. If you wanted to create a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it for you.